Hello, I'm Mikhail, and the title of my work is In-situ AP-XPS reveals surface transformations of magnetites upon exposure to nitrogen and hydrogen. The industrial synthesis of ammonia, also known as the Haber-Bosch process, consists of converting nitrogen and hydrogen into ammonia using a metallic catalyst at high temperatures ranging from 400 to 500 degrees Celsius and high pressures ranging from 100 to 200 atmospheres. Now, at equilibrium conditions, this reaction has been well researched. However, there's a gap in knowledge about the actual surface transformations experienced by the catalyst surface. Therefore, our goals are to try to understand the nitrogen and the hydrogen absorption in dynamic pressures using AP-XPS and investigate the resulting binding energies from the surface species. Now, in our isothermal experiment, what we observed was two main species, nitrogen bound to Fe3 plus octahedral sites and nitrogen bound to an adjacent A-type oxygen site due to spillover. We can see this in our N1S region, that as we increase in pressure, we see an increase in the concentration of these two main species. In this plot here, we see that as we increase in pressure, we see Lagnier-like behavior. So that means that as we increase in pressure, we see a limitation to an amount of surface sites on the magnetite surface. For the O1S region, it correlates with the N1S region in that as we increase in pressure, we see an increase in or nitrogen oxide species there. In our isobaric experiment, as we can see from our N1S region, as we increase in temperature, we see a desorption of our nitrogen species. In our valence band region, the valence band region is an electronic signature of the iron oxide surface and gives us information about the oxidation state. And here we can see the surface return to that of our bare magnetite surface upon exposure to high temperatures. And in our O1S region, we could see that it is being reduced, so we're losing oxygen species here. So upon the reduction of the magnetite with hydrogen for our Fe2P region and our O1S region, we see a shift to lower binding energies. For our valence band region, we see a shift to lower oxidation states, which means that we're reducing the surface. In conclusion, the primary species obtained upon nitrogen dissociative absorption were that of nitrogen bound to Fe3 plus octahedral and nitrogen bound to an A-type oxygen site. In our isobaric experiment, we found that the nitrogen species desorb at high temperatures, and then hydrogen reduces our magnetite surface. These studies can be applicable in unraveling environmental reactions on metal oxides or used to investigate catalytic reactions at equilibrium conditions. Thank you for listening.